Today, let's check out Humpty's Dumplings.
I'm Pat Doyle with Humpty's Dumplings. Come on in.
All right, so this is the loaded potato filling. We start with Godshall crumbles. These happen to be the smoked turkey bacon. Salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic to taste. House-made cheese sauce. Green onions. Sour cream. And some red onions diced. And then just mash it. Now let's make dumplings. We like Godshall's because it packs a lot of real wood smoked flavor. And Godshall's has 80% less fat than pork bacon.
Let's fry these dumplings.
Golden brown and crispy. Loaded potato dumplings, Godshall's turkey crumbles.